In today's fast-paced world, juggling multiple projects, deadlines, and teams can feel like a circus act. Emails get lost, spreadsheets become tangled webs, and staying on top of everything seems like a distant dream. But what if there was a tool that could bring order to the chaos? A digital hub where you could plan, track, and manage your work with clarity and efficiency. Enter Smartsheet. Now, you might be thinking, another project management tool? What makes this one so special? Well, Smartsheet isn't just another task list. It's a dynamic platform that combines the familiar interface of a spreadsheet with powerful project management features, collaboration tools, and automation capabilities. This unique blend makes it incredibly versatile and adaptable to a wide range of uses. As a project management expert, I've seen firsthand how Smartsheet can transform the way individuals and teams work. It's not about complex jargon or rigid methodologies. It's about providing a flexible and intuitive solution that empowers you to take control of your projects, no matter their size or complexity. So, what exactly is Smartsheet best used for? Let's dive into some key areas where this powerful tool truly shines. 1. Project planning and scheduling, laying the foundation for success. At the heart of any successful project lies a well-defined plan. Smartsheet excels at helping you create detailed project schedules with ease. You can define tasks, assign owners, set start and end dates, and establish dependencies between tasks. The visual Gantt chart view provides a clear timeline of your project, allowing you to track progress and identify potential roadblocks before they become major issues. Imagine you're planning a marketing campaign. With Smartsheet, you can break down the campaign into individual tasks like content creation, social media promotion, and email marketing. You can assign each task to a team member, set deadlines, and link them together, e.g., the social media promotion can only start once the content is finalized. This visual representation ensures everyone knows their responsibilities and how their work contributes to the overall campaign timeline. 2. Task management and tracking, staying on top of every detail. Once your plan is in place, the real work begins. Smartsheet provides robust task management features that allow you to track the progress of each activity. You can update task statuses, add notes and attachments, and set up automated reminders to keep everyone on schedule. Consider a software development project. Developers can update the status of their assigned coding tasks, QA testers can log bugs and their resolution progress, and the project manager can get a real-time overview of the project's advancement. This transparency ensures that everyone is informed and potential delays can be addressed proactively. 3. Collaboration and communication, bridging the distance. Effective teamwork relies on seamless communication and collaboration. Smartsheet facilitates this by allowing multiple stakeholders to access and work on the same sheets simultaneously. You can share sheets with team members, clients, or external partners, granting them specific permission levels. Real-time updates ensure everyone is always looking at the latest information. Think about a construction project involving architects, engineers, contractors, and clients. Smartsheet can serve as a central platform where everyone can access blueprints, track progress, share updates, and communicate through comments directly within the relevant tasks. This eliminates the need for endless email threads and ensures everyone is on the same page. 4. Resource management, optimizing your team's capacity. Knowing who is working on what and their availability is crucial for efficient resource allocation. Smartsheet's resource management features allow you to track team members' workload, identify potential overloads, and make informed decisions about resource allocation to ensure projects stay on track without burning out your team. For example, in a consulting firm, project managers can use Smartsheet to see the availability of their consultants and assign them to projects based on their skills and capacity. This helps in optimizing resource utilization and preventing any single consultant from being overloaded with work. 5. Data collection and analysis, turning information into insights. Smartsheet isn't just for planning and tracking. It's also a powerful tool for collecting and analyzing data. You can create customizable forms to gather information from stakeholders, and the data is automatically populated into your sheets. From there, you can use formulas, reports, and dashboards to gain valuable insights into your project performance. Imagine you're running a customer satisfaction survey. You can create a smartsheet form to collect responses, and the data will automatically populate into a sheet. You can then use formulas to calculate average satisfaction scores, identify trends, and create visual reports to present your findings. 6. Workflow automation, streamlining repetitive tasks. To boost efficiency and reduce manual errors, Smartsheet offers powerful automation capabilities. You can set up automated workflows to trigger actions based on specific events, such as sending notifications when a task is completed, moving tasks between statuses, or generating reports automatically. Consider an invoice approval process. You can set up a workflow in Smartsheet where once an invoice is marked as submitted, it automatically gets routed to the finance manager for approval. Upon approval, the status can automatically change to approved, and a notification can be sent to the accounts payable team. This automation saves time and ensures a smooth and efficient process.